Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to log out from Toon Blast Account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and log out from Toon Blast Account. So first of all, go to the top right corner and click on the gear item to get to settings. There you'll have, as you can see, how you can save your progress. You can sign in with Facebook or Apple. So depending on which you signed in, you will have that button available and you will have logout there. So you can log out to your Facebook or Apple if you did it there. If you want to switch accounts, open Facebook app and log to the current Facebook account and sign in account to the other account. So basically on this phone you can go and have multiple accounts. You just need to go and of course log out of every Facebook account and log into another one or to your Apple, of course, ID, and that's how you can do it. Important thing is logging out to Facebook may switch you to a separate guest game. Guest progress is sorted only on the device and it cannot be then put into another device synced anywhere else, so keep that in mind. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.